yards of Fort Worth, all the way out to Frisco's end of line sadness. October in the railroad, October in the railroad. Jack Kerouac getting high on a fifth of cheap Tokay, Skid Row Alley, hour and 30. His shadow behind the shades of the Southern Pacific Station. October in the railroad earth. Old bums with tattoos from Singapore, boxcars, iron wheels giving birth. Flophouse afternoons in old Warpwood, America. October in the railroad earth. Out where the freight trains still roll with their cannonballs. So Chicago to the stockyards of Fort Worth, all the way out to Frisco and that inland sadness. October in the railroad earth. October in the railroad. Jack's Bible on the desk next to his peanut butter jar, his notebook with those beat poetic words. Raisin bread and oatmeal, coffee on a hot plate. October in the railroad earth. Jack hits the morning alley with his brakeman's lantern, stares at a hooker in a polka dotted skirt. 3 eggs, 26 cents, lumberjack stew. October in the railroad earth. October in the railroad earth. What's this thing called fame really worth? Light a candle for his soul in some old Mexican church. October in the railroad earth. Jack finally bottoms out near Lawrence Ferlinghetti's cabin, tries to hitchhike. Drivers swerve and curse, getting beat up outside of bars and passing out in cars. He leaves his blood soaked in the railroad earth. He's finally gone in October, $62 in the bank. He's buried near the place of his birth. His wife was taking in sewing to pay his bills and his bar tab. October in the railroad earth. October in the railroad earth. What's that thing called fame really worth? Light a candle for his soul in some old Mexican church. October in the railroad earth. Out where the freight trains still roll with their cannonballs. So Chicago to the stockyards of Fort Worth, all the way out to Frisco and then into land sadness. October in the railroad earth. October in the railroad earth. On the road, Dharma bumps Tristeza. October in the railroad earth. Some of the Dharma, Big Sur. October in the railroad earth. And the hippos were boiled in their tanks. Yeah. October in the railroad earth. Getting beat up outside of bars and passing out in cars. He left his blood soaked in the railroad earth. Thank you. Somebody wanted to hear Canadian.